Hi, hello, namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel Educational Nexus Point, the one-stop destination for all your yoga theory related videos. Surya Namaskara, the one of the most important topic in yoga. But we have some secrets behind the Surya Namaskara. Each and every asana performed in Surya Namaskara has their own importance. So today let's see the secret behind performing Ashwa Sanchalanasana in Surya Namaskara. So what is the reason to put left leg forward first in Ashwa Sanchalanasana during Surya Namaskara? Firstly, to balance the left and right hemispheres of the brain. As we all know, the brain has two hemispheres, left and right. To balance these hemispheres, we do this. The left leg is controlled by the right hemisphere of the brain, which is associated with creativity, holistic thinking, and intuition. Starting with the left leg may stimulate the right hemisphere first, balancing the mental faculties for the rest of the practice. Next point, energetic initiation through the heart side. As we all know, our powerhouse, that is heart, is situated on the left side of the body. The left side of the body is called the house of the heart. Traditionally, it is associated with devotion, that is bhakti. Beginning the sequence with the left leg forward symbolizes the starting with a devotion towards the sun and higher consciousness. Next point is that balancing Ida and Pingala Nadi. Ida refers to moon or left, that is left nostril or left side. It mainly refers to cooling or parasympathetic activation. Right nostril, that is right side, that is referred to as Surya. It refers for heating or solar energy and sympathetic activation. Beginning with the left leg, that is Ida, in the first half, and right leg Pingala in the second half creates energetic symmetry in the body, activating and balancing both the nadis. Next point is cardiovascular and muscular symmetry. From a biomechanical perspective, initiating from the left leg avoids dominance bias, because most people use right side or right leg, right hand, always right. So using the left leg forward ensures the equal load distribution across the knee, ankle, hips for the entire 12 step sequence, reducing the asymmetrical stress. Summarizing all at once, neurologically, it activates the right brain, balancing the mental faculties. According to yoga energetic system, Ida and Pingala Nadi will be balanced. Biomechanics, it avoids the overuse or domination of the right side. Tradition and symmetry, it ensures alternate leg usage in the sequential rounds. Symbolic or devotionally, it refers to left, that is heart side, or it is mainly concerned with the devotion. It reverence in initiating the movement. So this is the secret behind Ashwa Sanchalanasana. For more videos like this and for more secrets to be revealed, which is there in yoga and Indian philosophy, subscribe our channel, like and share the videos, so it encourages us to do more and come up with new videos. Thank you.